Hello, my name is Valentin Sanchez. I just got out of work, and the assignment was to create a 1 or 2 minute video. I didn't know what to say, so I'm just gonna share a little bit of what's going on with the coronavirus. Um, my sympathy goes to all the people who have passed away, the families who um, who are suffering or know somebody or one of their relatives has died. I just want to give some encouraging words. Hopefully, everyone's practicing social distancing, wearing masks when they're supposed to, where there's 10 to more people gathered. Hopefully, everyone's being cautious. And for all those people that are being quarantined or self quarantined, which is good, but then again, there's a backlash that they have nothing else to do. They're already fed up with all their activities, and they just want to go out and talk to people or just go out, but they always run the risk of getting the corona or getting somebody sick or vice versa, getting themselves sick. But yeah, I just want to give encouraging words to everyone, whoever's listening, whoever listens. Well, either you're in school, well, right now whoever watches the video is probably still is taking summer courses, or either they're taking summer courses or working. Just keep your heads up and just focus. It's perfect timing for us since we have plenty of time to do our assignments. I have work, so I have to manage my work and my studies. It's kind of difficult, but at the same time, I have some time to myself, which I enjoy. But overall, that's pretty much all. I mean, we'll get through this. Hopefully, we get to the new normal after the coronavirus, whatever it is. Can't wait for it. So everything just so we can be able to go out and just do what we do. See you guys. Peace.